Hey kids, welcome back to another video. This right here is a Bobcat. A Bobcat skid steer. And this is, I don't know if you guys have ever seen this before. And then you may have seen something that looks similar to it, but with tracks on it, like this. And this is a John Deere. But they pretty much do the same thing. This one's just better in the snow and doing pavement work. And you can take it in the dirt and stuff. There's nothing saying you can't. But this one just does better on the dirt and mud, especially mud. It doesn't get stuck as easy. Excuse me. So you guys ever wondered why some look like this and some look like this? That is why. And if nothing else, maybe you guys learned something today. And if not, maybe you learn something in the next video. Okay kids, till next time.